Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you change your legal name, for example. It's something hard but doable. So you need to update your HC immediately. Your legal name on HC must match your bank and tax records to avoid any payout issues. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to update your legal name on HC, the platform. Talking here about the website or even the app, it's totally fine. So let's get started. All we're gonna do is open our device so we can access all of this. Make sure you are fully connected to the internet as well. So I'm gonna go back, HC or HC.com, tap on it, come here, log in using our email address and password to access our account or all of this information. Then we're gonna go to the shop manager here. Tap on it, look for finances, select payment settings, then edit your legal name under seller information. You will be able to see multiple options. So basically, upload the documentation if requested, then submit for review. You can also wait for confirmation before expecting deposits. As for like a bonus tips, your name must match your ID exactly. Bank mismatches can freeze payouts, then check your email for any verification updates. Keep in mind that changing your legal name on HC may be like kinda tricky, but it's pretty simple. You can even talk to the support if you are going through like a bad problem or a big problem. You can always screenshot all of this and send them to the support. They're gonna help you within 2 to 3 days max. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.